XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. As we can see, based on 1 hour chart, the price broke the previous top. And if we refer to the indicators, both of them showing us a divergence. All right. That's why we need to be quite careful because we can put these two in relative to each other as a flat at the first correction and the last. All right. Since we have a divergence, technically we can expect to get the deeper correction in relative to the first move. If it turns to a first move, TP correction, then from there we can look for continuation. Okay. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. And as we can see, when if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. We want to see whether the price can reverse from here and retest the previous top or not. But can we expect this one turn to similar to what we have here for internal flat? And that means this one turn to a deeper move before we get the reversal. Also, we need to be quite careful about this option because if we get any trade setup based on lower time frame, we can consider as a short-term trade. There is a possibility this one turn to a deeper move before we get the reversal. Okay, that's why from now, if we get any trade setup for buy, we take it. If it's not moving in our direction, we just start to manage it. That means if we just either move our stop loss to break even or take out the trade, because right now we need to be quite careful. There is a possibility this move turns to similar what we have here, right? Anyway, from now, if we want to look for next trade for buy, we need to get the deeper correction. It can give us better confirmation for continuation. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue. I'm talking about how we can look for trade. Okay, trade setup. And if we move to 1 hour chart, the only thing says whoever get the trade within this move, they should start to manage. Since we have a divergence, if we want to look for trade, wait for the correction. Rather than that, we don't have any other options to look for trade. Even if the price continue from here, we cannot get any trade setup unless we trade based on lower time frame. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing says whatever the trade we have, we should start to manage. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.